Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install n8n locally on your system. So for it, first of all, you need to have nodejs installed on your system. So you just need to go to any browser, then search for nodejs.org. You need to come to this website and here you can see download option. Click on download and you need to select the LTS version from here. Go down and you need to click on this. So it will download a file and you just need to install that file. So it will install Node.js. So installing Node.js is really simple, just like installing any other software. So once you have Node.js installed, you need to go to your search option right over here, CMD. So here you can see command prompt. So we need to open our command prompt. And if you want to verify whether Node.js is installed on your system or not, you just need to say over here node dash dash version, then press enter. So if you see this version, it means Node.js is installed on your system. So once you have Node.js installed, it means you are ready to install n8n. So in order to install n8n, you need to say over here npm install n8n-g. So we are saying that we want to install n8n globally on our system. So right now we're going to press enter and it will start installing n8n in our system. So this will actually take some time. It will take around 5 minutes to install it. So while installing n8n, you will see some warning. It's because n8n uses some older version of Node.js. That's why. So you don't have to worry about it. So there you can see installation is complete. So right now we just need to write our head n8n, and if you now press enter, it will start the n8n server. And there you can see, so right now here you can see http localhost 5678. So we need to copy this, Control C, and then we'll go to our browser and we're going to paste it here, then press enter. So once you press enter, the first time it will tell you to sign up. So here I will give my email address, then my name, and then we need to give a password. So I'll give my own password and I'll just check this, then click here next, and it will ask a bunch of questions. So let me let's just say this, I'm not working this for org, and let's say YouTube, whatever, and then click here get started. And here you will see option send me a free license. So you must click this button and it will send you a license to this email address. So I'm going to click here. Then I'll go to my Gmail. So I still haven't received any mail. Let me just check the spam. There is nothing. Let me check the trash, and there you can see I received a mail, but it has gone to the trash. So let me just open it, and here you can see activate license key, and it has given a license key over here. You can see. So I'm going to click here, activate license key. And there you go. It is activated. Here you can see a message, license activated. So there you can see we have managed to run n8n in our PC locally. And right now we'll be able to use this for free. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.